Hi, good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all good. Welcome to our Nirbhaya High School. I am your Indira ma'am. I am your Indira ma'am. Today's slokam. Everyone stand up, children. Join your hands. Close your eyes. Karagre vasate Lakshmi. Karagre vasate Lakshmi. करमध्ये सरस्वती करमध्ये सरस्वती करमूले स्थिते गौरी करमूले स्थिते गौरी प्रभातः करदर्शनम् प्रभातः करदर्शनम् once again repeat children कराग्रे वसते लक्ष्मी कराग्रे वसते लक्ष्मी करमध्ये सरस्वती करमध्ये सरस्वती करमूले स्थिते गौरी करमूले स्थिते गौरी प्रभातः करदर्शनम् प्रभातः करदर्शनम् Open your eyes, put your hands down. Let us start the class. Yes, what is the date today? Today date 17. Today date 17. Which month? December. Year 2020. What is the date today? Today is Thursday. Today is Thursday. Today I am teaching you EVS. EVS means Environmental Science. EVS means Environmental Science. Today we will learn about means of transport. Means of transport. What is the spelling of transport? T-R-A-N-S-P-O-R-T. Transport. Transport. Means of transport. Means of transport is important of our life. Means of transport is important of our life. Transport means that we can reach from one place to another place. We can reach from one place to another place. Transport means that we can easily reach from one place to another place. There are three main means of transport. There are three main means of transport. First one, land transport. Land transport. Second one, water transport. Second one, water transport. Third one, air transport. Third one, air transport. What are they? Land transport, water transport, air transport. What is the land transport? Land transport examples. Bus. What is the spelling of bus? B-U-S. Bus. Next one. Car. C-A-R. Car. C-A-R. Car. Next one. Scooter. S-C-O-O-T-E-R. Scooter. Bus, car, scooter, bicycle. B-I-C-Y-C-L-E. Bicycle. Next, truck. T-R-U-C-K. Truck. T-R-U-C-K. Truck. Train. T-R-A-I-N. Train. Next, lorry. L These are land transport. Bus, car, scooter, bicycle, truck, train, lorry. These vehicles move with wheels. We use them mostly every day. Next one, water transport. Water transport. Examples, ship. What is the spelling of ship? S-H-I-P. Ship. S-H-I-P. Ship. Next, steamer. Steamer. S T E A M E R. Steamer. Steamer. Next one, boat. Boat. What is the spelling of boat? B O A T. Boat. B O A T. Boat. These are water transport. Next one, air transport. Air transport. Examples, aeroplane. A E R O P L A N E. Aeroplane. A E R O P L A N E. Aeroplane. Aeroplane. Next one, helicopter. Helicopter. H E L I C A P T E R. Helicopter. H E L I C A P T E R. Helicopter. These are air transport. They are fastest means of transport. Aeroplane, helicopter. Come on children, take out a textbook. Level 2. Level 2. Open page number 55. Page number 55. Means of transport. Means of transport. M-E-A-N-S. Means O-F-R-T-R-A-N-S-P-O-R-T. Transport. Means of transport. Know your route signs and travel safe. Here signs also there. Not only knowing about the transport is good, but also knowing about the road signs is important, because we need to be safe on the road. The symbol of do not enter. Do not enter. The symbol no right turn. No right turn. This is the stop. 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 The symbol is pedestrians only. Pedestrians only. The symbol is pedestrians only. Next, see the symbol petrol pump. Petrol pump. The symbol is petrol pump. This one, speed limit 50. The symbol is speed limit 50. Next, the symbol is No parking. No parking. The symbol is no parking. This is one way. One way. One way. Here, one activity is there. Given below are the different types of transport. Right? A for air transport. A for air transport. L for land transport. And W for water transport in the boxes. This is the, what is the children? This is the car. Car is the which transport? S. Land transport. Car is the land transport. L for land transport. You can write L. L for land transport. Next. What is this? This is the helicopter. Helicopter is the which transport? S. Air transport. Air transport. Air transport. A for air transport. You can write A. A for air transport. Next, what is this? This is the bus. Bus. Bus is the which transport? S. Land transport. L for land transport. You can write L. L for land transport. What is this? This is the ship. Ship. Ship is the which transport? Water. Water transport. Water transport. W for water transport. You can write W. W for water transport. Next, see this picture. What is this? Aeroplane. Aeroplane is the which transport? Air transport. A is air transport. You can write A. A for air transport. Next, what is this? This is the boat. Boat also which transport? S. Water transport. W for water transport. W for water transport. Next, what is this? This is auto rickshaw. Auto rickshaw. Auto rickshaw is the which transport? Land transport. L for land transport. L for land transport. This is parachute. Parachute also air transport. A for air transport. Parachute is air transport. Next picture. What is this? This is the hot air balloon. Hot air balloon. Hot air balloon also air transport. A for air transport. You can write A. Next, what is this? This is the scooter. Scooter which transport? S. Land transport. You can write L for land. L for land. Scooter is land transport. Next, what is this? What is this? This is ship. Ship also water transport. W for water transport. Next one, bicycle. Bicycle which transport? S. Land transport. You can write L for land. L for land transport. Okay, children. Filling this activity. Write down these words in classwork. Today homework also same. Means of transport. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye children.